Hi everybody, it's Lynn. Our bargain bead box for June finally came today. And I haven't opened it. All I've done is taken it out of the blue envelope. So let's see what we have. It's called Summer Sunrise. And it says bright skies lie ahead with these warm summery colors. A sparkling cubic zirconia sun pendant brings the heat, matched with agate and Malaysia jade quartz accents. Plenty of sparkling crystals and high quality gold findings. These fabulous factory closeouts came to us already individually labeled. You'll notice one pack, the 5.5 millimeter crystal rounds marked with 2 asterisks on your list, came mislabeled as a pendant. They match our theme so perfectly that we included them for you anyway. The actual info for this item is 5.5 millimeter crystal English cut faceted round beads, goldenrod AB, 10 inches. Okay, well, let's see what we've got here. Yellow. Ooh. Oh my gosh, y'all. I see some pretty things. Oh my, look at that pretty yellow bag. I'm not real big on yellow, but I don't not like it. It's just not one of my go-to colors. So, okay, well, since these have individual labels on them, we don't have to be so particular about going down the legend here. I'll just put that aside and we'll look at them individually. Okay, what do I grab first? 24 by 18 carved agate oval bead. Well, that's very pretty. Ooh, I love the feel of it. Very nice. That'd be a pretty bracelet. Yeah. Okay, so we have him. Okay, next we have gold-plated brass sun charms, 2 pieces. Oh, these are cute. Very nice. Very good finish. Nice finish. Those are very pretty. It said we had a sun pendant, so I'm anxious to see what that looks like, how well it matches. I think this might be it. Yep. Gold-plated brass and cubic zirconia sun pendant. Oh, wow. That's very pretty. It's got, I mean, like micro pave. I don't know if you can really just see it. It's very, very pretty. Very ornate. Looks like teeny tiny diamonds. Nice. We can make something pretty with that. Okay. 5.5 by 2 millimeter corrugated rondelle spacer beads. Okay. I love getting spacers, y'all. Things like that add so much to your piece. Oh, these are nice and wide. See, they're like a 2 millimeter wide. Very nice. They would look pretty much like if you were using one of those little 2 millimeter round beads, except they would have a little texture to them. Okay, let's see what else we got in the findings. We have 7 millimeter swirl bead caps. 30 pieces. Ooh. They're pretty. They're that bright gold, y'all. They're very dark. See, they're much darker than the pendant or the charms. But they do kind of match the spacer beads. But we'll find something to use them for. Okay. Is that all of, oh, let's see. 3.5 by 2.5 stainless steel textured oval jewelry chain. I love that we get chain every month, and I love it when it's in gold. I have so much silver and very little gold. 18 inches, it's kind of short, but it is very pretty. Can you, I don't know if you can see the texture. I'm trying to, it just has little like lines that go across the links that give it a little texture. We usually get a meter. We only got 18 inches of that, so not sure what happened there. All right. What do we have here? We have 10 millimeter crackle agate round beads, maroon, dyed and heated. Well, that's an interesting color. They have a lot of variation in them. I love it when gemstone beads have a lot of lines and, oh, very pretty. That looks pretty with that big bead there too. Yeah, definitely. All right. 8 millimeter matte deep orange crackle agate. Orange. Whew. That's orange. Okay. Well, that one's going to be challenging, y'all. That's not my color for sure. The beads themselves are very pretty. I mean, crackle agate is gorgeous, and we might come up with something. I see something bright yellow. Okay, this is the one that it said was a pendant, but it's the 5.5 millimeter crystals. And they are like a goldenrod color. I love English cut. These are beautiful, you guys. Look at the sparkle. How I can make that work? We'll see. I love these. So far, that's my favorite thing. Well, get in there. Okay. 6 millimeter crackle agate faceted round beads, dyed and heated 7 inches. Well, that's some serious pink. Woo. Okay. Well, I think you could, I mean, it definitely looks like summer colors, y'all. Those are really pretty. Very different. Each one of them has something very different about it. Just like gemstones do. This is killing me here. I'm dying to see these. There's no label on this, but they're coin beads. There's 6 of them. Wow, those are gorgeous. Oh, you guys, one of those would make such a pretty ring. I might have to do that. Those are beautiful. I want to see another flash of gold over here. What's this? Okay. 18 millimeter pink crackle agate teardrops. 18 karat gold plated wire. Well, these are pretty. They're not very much alike. Yeah. I would not use those as earrings, guys. Mine are very different in color. One is almost got orange in it, and this one is bubblegum pink. So I would not use them together, but they are still very pretty. And you may get, if you have this subscription, you may get 2 that are perfect. But mine don't really match very well. Okay, see something else, gold. Okay, 35 by 16 millimeter Malaysian jade dyed quartz. That's a beautiful color. Very pretty. Ooh, I love that color. It's like a deep pink / fuchsia. Okay, let's see what's next. 8 millimeter crystal faceted bold cut round beads, magenta coat. All right, what is a bold cut? Okay, well, that's a really pretty cut. Are you guys familiar with that? I wasn't. It's kind of a cross between a round and an English cut. They're gorgeous. They have a lot of sparkle. Pretty color. What's this? Oh, we get a magnetic clasp. My very favorite in the world for bracelets, if they're good and strong. And it's strong. Very strong. Yeah. Definitely use that on a bracelet. It's strong enough. Beautiful. Love that. Okay. 4mm crystal bicone beads, Magma AB. Okay, that's the same as, looks the same as our coin beads. See that? I think those are the same color. Very pretty. That almost looks brown to me. Guess that's just my eye. Then I caught a flash of pink. Interesting. Interesting color. Okay. 7x8 crystal faceted lantern beads. Oh, I love me some lantern beads. Oh, those are gorgeous. Oh, you guys, those are so pretty. Oh, I'll be watching the website for those. Gorgeous. And last but not least, we have another strand of lantern beads in amethyst. Oh, just gorgeous. Those are so pretty. All right, guys. Well, that's it for the bargain bead box. Some really, really pretty things here. So I'll have to get thinking about it and see what we're going to do with this stuff, but it's very, very pretty. My eye is not drawing these colors together, though. I'm going to have to work on that, but y'all know I'm a simpler kind of person when it comes to putting color together. But I know something gorgeous will come out of it, so we're not going to worry about it. All right, you guys, I'll be back with something that we can make out of this box within a day or two. So take good care of yourselves until then, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.